Namaskar, I am Mohammad Akram, Tabla teacher in SWAMI Vivekananda Cultural Center, NUR-SULTAN, Kazakhstan. In my previous lessons, I taught you Teen Tal in Vilambit Lay and Akaida number 1, Dha Dha Terikata Dha Dha Tuna, Ta Ta Terikata Dha Dha Tuna. I taught you how to play this Qaida in Vilambit Lay and how to make 3 speeds, 3 lay, Egun, Degun and Chagun in it. And after that, how to use buzz, how to play buzz, improvisation in it. So after that, when we reach in third speed, we play buzz, we improvise it with the different bowls. And when we want to end it, when we complete it, so we play Tihai. Tihai is the group of bowls, the same bowls what we use in Qaida. We play this group of bowls thrice and comes on the first beat, sum. So now I am going to show you the bowls of Tihai, and after that I show you the whole structure of a Qaida, how to play a Qaida in Atal. After playing buzz, improvisations, you have to end this composition. So in the same speed, third speed, you play Qaida, the base of Qaida 2 times, and then play this Tihai. Dha terikada dha tuna, ta ta terikada dha tuna, dha terikada dha tuna, ta ta terikada dha tuna, dha terikada dha tuna, dha terikada dha tuna, dha terikada dha tuna, dha. Now I am showing you on tabla. First I show you in slow speed and then I play in the same speed what I recite. Now in the speed, in which speed we play the Qaida, and the buzz of this Qaida. In same speed we have to play Tihai. Now I am showing you the structure of a Qaida. First we play Teen Tal, then a Qaida in same speed, slow speed, then we play then we play 3 layers and improvisations, then we end it with Tihai. Now I am going to show you the whole structure of a Qaida. the way we have to play a qaida. Hope you all enjoyed it. Please note it down and keep practicing. I'm thankful to you that you joined this course, online course,